Hi all, my name is Vishnu from Kerala. I'm a civil engineer, completed MTech in Construction Engineering and Management. And I'm here right now to explain my journal that I presented in IJSR few years back as the part of my MTech project. And my MTech project is designing of a revival center for visually impaired. So we can discuss all the journal about this. My journal is about analysis of visual impairment for designing of a revival center. So we can look about the journal, what it means or what it aims. So my topic is analysis of visual impairment for designing a revival center. I submitted my journal in IJSR and I shown my paper ID ART 20197870. So analysis is worked out to collect different aspects of visual impairment in order to design a revival center. As the part of master project in MTech Civil Engineering, I choose to implement a space for the community who is blind. This is the three-dimensional view of the revival center which I was designed as the purpose of my MTech project. Out of 37 billion people in the world who are blind, 15 million are from India. So visually impaired means reduced vision so severe as to constitute a handicap, collective term used to describe all conditions of impaired vision including total blindness as well as partial sight. Revival, an improvement in the condition, strength or fortunes of someone or something. It is the renewal, restoration or reactivation. So what it means or scope of the project? Primarily to manage a society or a community. Then to proposal of conceptual design for the space. To make, understand and realize the feel to a person having the sense of vision. So defining blindness. According to WHO, blindness as a condition where a person is unable to see because of injury, disease or a congenital condition. WHO defines visual functions in 4 categories: normal vision, moderate visual impairment, severe visual impairment and blindness. Cause of blindness. Based on national-wide survey undertaken in India, cataract 62.6%, uncorrected refractive error 19.7%, glaucoma 5.8%, posterior segment pathology 4.7%, corneal opacity 0.9% and other causes 6.2%. These are the causes for blindness. Human sense. People use 4 of their 5 senses: sight, sound, touch and smell in varying degrees. The consequence when one sense is removed or its effectiveness reduced is that the other senses are greater depend on. Analysis. Blindness has been recognized as an important public health problem in India. It is the first country in the world to launch 100% public funded program for control of blindness. 1.7% of India population disabled, out of which 0.22 are visually disabled. In case of visual disability, 0.12% populations are female and 0.1% is male population. In India, the prevalence of total blind person found to be 156 per lakh population and the prevalence of low vision found 61 per lakh population. Among the major states of India, Andhra Pradesh 226 per lakh of population, Uttar Pradesh 204 per lakh of population and so on. Next one is the live case study that I have done as the purpose of data collection. The case study was conducted in Kerala School for Blind, which is located in Vallikapetta, Mancheri, Malappuram district, Kerala. These are the images of Pedagogy Park for Blind. This is the first and most important pedagogy park for blinds in India. It enables basic science and mathematics through the use of sense and touch. This is one of the most impressive space for those who are visually impaired, since it is easy to analyze and understand what it means. Data regarding blinds, their field, their daily life, etc. has been examined and experienced during the study. Building for school, hostel building, music library, open stage, braille book library, etc. are the features of this school. It's all about my journal topic, and this is the simplest explanation for the data collection. Thank you.